Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these Betty Crocker scalloped potatoes. So if you've lost the box or you just need a visual guide, we're here to help. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your box of scalloped potatoes, 2/3 of a cup of milk. You could use whole, non-fat, whatever in between. And you're going to need 2 cups of boiling water, a whisk or a spoon, fork, whatever you'd like to use to mix things up with. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of butter. I have mine in with my milk right now, so it's in the measuring cup. And then we're going to need a 1.5 quart baking dish. Now, if you don't have that exact thing, it's fine. The more shallow your potatoes are, the quicker they might cook. If you have an 8x8 or a 9x9 like square baking pan, that's going to be a good size for you to use for this because it's roughly 1.5 to 2 quarts for those. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get our water on our stove and bring it to boiling. If you'd like, you could also boil yours in the microwave. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, now that we're boiling, I'm gonna turn that off. While that's turned off, we're gonna open up our package. We've got sauce mix in the white pouch and potatoes in the clear pouch. Right now, just open up your sauce mix and put it into your baking pan. Next, we're gonna pour in the boiling water, then our milk and butter, and then whisk it all up until it's combined. All right, that's combined and my butter is pretty much all melted. Add the potatoes. Make sure that you get them all coated. Try to submerge them into the liquid as much as you can. All right, now we're gonna pop this into the oven at their recommended time of 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. So I'm gonna monitor it and come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. We're looking for the potatoes to be fully cooked through, not crunchy anymore and not hard, nice and soft. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, guys, it has been 25 minutes and I took this out of the oven. We're gonna check and see if our potatoes are tender. So to do that, I would just recommend using a fork and we're just gonna stick it in at various spots and you just wanna feel for the texture of your slices of potato. Does your fork go in easily? Do any of them feel like they're crunchy? Is there too much resistance? So all of these so far are feeling nice and tender. So that's all that we got to do here. Leave it set for 5 minutes or so before you serve it. The sauce will thicken up. And here you have it. Here is our completed Betty Crocker scalloped potatoes. If you're ever at the grocery store wondering if something is good, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you reviews on everyday grocery items and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.